Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Change. Today we're gonna learn about 7 mind tricks learn anything fast. While it's nice to think you can hack your way to success whenever you try to accomplish a huge goal, pass your exam, complete your degree or starting and growing your business, whatever the goal, fast you learn, the more successful you can be. So these tricks will speed up your learning process. Trick number 1, the sleep sandwich. How long do you sleep after you finish studying? Someone says maybe 2 or 3 hours. Someone says actually they don't have any time to sleep. Do you think that if you keep studying without sleep, you will remember everything? So, if you study something in several hours, maybe 1 to 2 hours or maybe 5 to 6 hours, whatever the time you study, your brain must need more time to memorize things. If you don't give rest for your brain, how it memorize things. So just think, if you read 100 words at a time, normally your brain absorb only 10 words at that time. That's also in your short-term memory, but you need to take it to your long-term memory. To do that, your brain need between 5 to 7 continuous sleep to memorize things in your long-term memory. In one study, a certain group memorized illustrated card to test their memory strength. After memorizing a set of cards, they took 40 minutes break and one group get some rest while the other group stayed awake. After the break, both groups were tested on their memory of the card. The sleep group performed significantly better. So, researchers have also found that sleep deprivation can affect your ability to commit new information to memory and consolidate any short-term memories you have made. So, why don't you get some sleep after studying? Remember that get some sleep continuously 5 or 7 hours to memorize things in your long-term memory. Trust me, your brain will thank for you. Number 2, change the way you learn. I believe that most of the people are do same way studying. They read some study guide again and again. Don't you think is it boring? Repeating anything over and over again in the hopes you will master that task definitely. But in some case it may actually decrease your skill. Especially when you're studying, you may feel that it's kind of boring and you feel that can't do it further. You just read only your notes day by day. Actually what happened? As time goes on, you may feel that your desire to learn is diminishing. If you already motivated to achieve a target, your motivation will also decrease. But when you change the way you learning process, it will help you learn lots of things in faster way. Can I ask you something? Do you study the same way every single time? Have you been using only study guides for every test that you taken? Then you might need change the way you study. You can use flashcard, draw a diagram, say the information loud. You can use internet and watch video. Then you can store more information in your memory. So don't fall back on old tricks every time. Number 3, drink some water. Do you drink water regularly as a hobby? But if you are a person who drinks less water, don't you know the secret behind water? So why your brain needs water? Our brain depend on proper hydration to function optimally. Your brain cells require a delicate balance between water and various elements to operate. And when you lose too much water, the balance will disrupted. Your brain cells lose efficiency. Also, dehydration can impair short-term memory function and the recall of long-term memory. So, water helps you to reduce dehydration. In one research found that drinking water improves exam grade. In this research, students who take water into the examination hall may improve their grades an average of 5% higher than those who without water. Of course, water helps you to store new memories, refresh your memories, solve more complicated problems and speed up your brain, all because of few sips of water. Next time, make it a habit to drink water regularly. Remember to drink 6 to 8 liters of water per day. It will keep your day refreshed. Number 4, chewing gum. Have you ever seen some cricketers, soccer players chew chewing gum while they are playing? Just wondering why? You just think it's kind of a style of them? Actually not. Researchers found that chewing gum can enhance attention. It's also helped to reduce stress. Did you know chewing gum helps your brain to learn faster? Some studies found that chewing gum has cognition benefits. People who use chewing gum stay more focused and produce less stress related hormone. In other words, chewing gum helps stay calm and relaxed. Not that all. Chewing makes you happy and motivated while you are work. So this small habit helps you to perform better, learn faster. When you sit work, don't forget to keep a chewing gum with you. Number 5. Musical stress relief. Everyone like to listen some good music. Most of the people are like to stay with music. Some people say that they can't work without music. Most of them swear that it will increase their productivity. Do you really know the benefits of studying with music? Music keeps help to people perform better in high pressure situations. Also, music can even cure pain. Music will help you to focus more. So, researchers found that music engaged the area of the brain involved with paying attention, making predictions, and updating the event in memory. Study also proven to improve brain functions. Music and memory are strongly linked in the brain, and that music can be beneficial to study. So make sure when you studying next time, listen to good music. Number 6. Speed read. Speed reading is not just about reading faster. It's all about comprehending the information better and retain it longer. So speed read help you to give better focus. Most people have the ability to read at least 200 words per minute, which is the average reading speed. But some people can also read up to 300 words per minute. Why is such a gap? Two primary reasons. Number 1, the traditional reading style. We are taught is not very efficient. Number 2, lack of focus. If we are not focused on what we are reading, our mind will wander and it will become occupied with other thoughts. Speed reading helps build focus. Speed reading is not just about reading faster. You can think of it as an exercise. As with muscle, if you exercise them regularly, you will get stronger. If you exercise your brain, it will get stronger as well. Number 7. The hard road. Everyone like to use short method to learn, such as they read study guides usually. So it's definitely faster than hard road. But the truth is, hard ways help you to get more things into your memory. So it touch every part of the brain. Actually, what are these hard road? If you can read the notes, why don't you try to write something in a piece of paper? You can do some revisions. You can type a note in your computer. You feel that it's kind of a time consuming task. What happens? When you retype your notes again and again, it will definitely take into your memory. When you do revision, you will use your knowledge to build an answer for the question. It means your brain automatically try to develop a better answer by using your knowledge. The hard road are not so much fast. When you have finished studying, write down what you learned on a piece of paper. Try to build answer for some question. So think of it this way. Continuing these things while you learn, it's also kind of fast learning. Don't be lazy. Do what is difficult, because difficult things make us stronger. Hey, thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe to the channel because more incredible videos is on the way.